Welcome to Spock, an effective absence management solution for Slack. Our goal is to deliver simplicity and transparency through features like leave request approvals and daily attendance notification. Our app works in Slack, so you don't need to install any extra software to get started. Simply scroll to the bottom of the home page and then click the Add Spock to Slack button. Next, we'll need to authorize Spock in Slack. Here is a list of permissions that Spock needs in order to function properly. Click the Allow button. Now we'll need to open Slack. You can find Spock in the sidebar. It's in the app section at the very bottom. If you can't see the app, simply click the plus icon here and search for Spock, then click on it and you'll be able to access it like everybody else. Now that we're all on the same page, I can show you how it works. Spock has three main tabs: Home, Messages, and About. The tools that are part of the app are all located in the Home tab, which is divided into three sections: the primary actions, the list of absences, and the secondary actions. If you'd like to request a leave, simply click this button. Our first step is to select the leave duration. It can be a one-day leave, half day, or even multiple days. Let's say we're having a multiple day leave. Next, you'll need to select the leave type. The green check mark shows you which ones are currently available. We're going to go with vacation. It's going to start on Monday and end on the Friday at the end of the week. You can also add an additional note to tell your colleagues where you are going. I'm away at the cottage. Next, you'll just need to press the Request Leave button. If there is no approval required, your leave is instantly registered, like so. If approval is required, Spock selects managers who can approve your leave and sends them a request for approval. You can cancel your request at any time before it is approved or rejected. You can also view your balances. This is a section that shows you which leave types are currently available and how many days you have left. As you can see, it also gives you information about how many you've already spent this year out of your total yearly allowance. If you'd like to look at your current leaves, head on over here and you'll see that the leave we made earlier on in this tutorial has already registered. We can delete it at any time by clicking the delete button, confirming our choice, and as you can see, it is no longer there. The last two things I want to show you are Subscribe Calendar, which allows you to integrate Spock with a calendar application of your choice. Your calendar app will most likely ask you to confirm this decision, so just do that, and from that point on, you'll be able to see all of your colleagues' leaves pop up. The next button over is our Feedback button. Here you can fill out a form and send us any thoughts and ideas you may have about our app. We really appreciate it. Thank you for joining us for part 1 of our onboarding tutorial. In part 2, we'll teach you how to use Spock's dashboard to unlock the full potential of our app. For now, thank you for your attention and see you soon.